Dear students, today I am giving another assignment, that is assignment 2 on this unit 5 graph theory. Now submit this assignment on which date? On 9th, okay, on 9th Saturday up to 5 p.m. So to my mail ID already given, okay. So now the assignment is now this is the assignment to now clearly see all the questions. So you have to answer all the questions here. So here there are 6 questions are there in this page. You have to note down all these questions, and of course another 2 questions are there. So they are on the next page. So these are 7th and 8th questions. So you can observe, and I will read clearly what are these questions. You can note down. So for all these answers you have to submit this assignment on 9/5/2020, that is tomorrow, that is Saturday, up to 5 p.m. to my mail ID already given. So dear students, read carefully, properly all the units, and this is the last one. So this is assignment 2 questions. I will read clearly all the questions. Find the paths and circuits in a acquaintanceship graph. So the graph is given like this. This is the acquaintanceship graph with the vertices A, B, C, D, E, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So all these are vertices and edges are also given. So for this you have to find the paths and circuits. Every path and circuit you have to find out here. Now second one, define strongly connected graphs and weakly connected graphs with examples. So you have to write the definition with an example. Third question, determine whether the graphs G and H are isomorphic or not. So these graphs G and H vertices are isomorphic or not, you have to find out. Fourth one, define Euler path and Euler circuits. You have to define the definitions and find Euler paths and Euler circuits in the following graphs G1, G2, G3. So here G1, G2, G3 graphs are given. Okay, so in that one you have to, in which graphs your Euler path is existing, and that path you have to write. If Euler circuit is existing, you have to write that Euler circuit. Which graphs having only Euler paths and circuits is working. So which graphs having that one G1, G2, G3 you have to write clearly. So define Hamiltonian paths and circuits and find they are present in the graphs H1, H2, H3. So here this side H1, H2, H3 graphs are given. Okay, so for these graphs you have to find out Hamiltonian paths and circuits. So what are those paths? You have to write clearly. Now define, next question, sixth one, define planar graphs. You have to define the planar graphs. I mean, write the definition of a planar graph. Is K 3, 3 planar graph? You have to write the description and the diagram for K 3, 3. Whether if it is planar, show that. If it is not, then how it is not, you have to show that one. And the next question, seventh one, define graph coloring and find the chromatic number of the given graph. So with A, B, C, D, E, F, G vertices are given, you have to define the graph coloring, I mean chromatic number also, okay, and find what chromatic number having this graph. Next, eighth question, what is the length of the shortest path from the vertex A to Z? You can observe the graph, A and Z vertices are there from A to Z. So the shortest path you have to find out, while each edge having the weight given, so such that you have to find the shortest route between A and G. So all these are the 8 questions you have to submit on 9/5/2020 up to 5 p.m. Thank you.